What can I help you with?
Does Fairfax County offer vehicle tax relief? If so, can you tell me more about it?
Yes. If you or someone you know is 65 or older, or permanently and totally disabled, you may qualify for vehicle tax relief in Fairfax County. To qualify for vehicle tax relief, the applicant must be 65 years of age or permanently and totally disabled, and the registered owner of the vehicle. These requirements must be met by the applicant as of the end of the prior year. Applicants applying as permanently and totally disabled must provide certification and the date the disability began from one of the following: certification from the Veterans Administration or Railroad Retirement Board, certification by the Social Security Administration. Disabled applicants may also provide 2 affidavits signed by 2 doctors who are either licensed to practice medicine in Virginia or military officers on active duty who practice medicine with the United States Armed Forces. The gross income of the applicant and their spouse may not exceed $22,000, and the gross income of the disabled applicant and their spouse may not exceed $29,500. Total combined net assets of the applicant and the spouse must be no more than $75,000. Vehicle tax relief is only granted for 1 vehicle per household. First-time applicants have until December 31st to file for the year that tax relief is being requested. Returning applicants must file between January 1st and May 1st for the year that they are requesting relief. In situations of hardship, a returning applicant may file no later than December 31st if the late filing was at no fault of the applicant. For more information about tax relief programs or to download the tax relief application, go to fairfaxcounty.gov/taxes/relief or call the Department of Tax Administration at 703-222-8234. Did this answer your question?
Yes, it did. Thank you.
Goodbye.